What are the benefits of shared hosting for new websites? With businesses now going online, the demand for web hosting is higher than ever before. Almost all new websites start their online journey with shared hosting due to its low cost. Here are some significant benefits that shared hosting offers to new websites. Low costs. Cost is a crucial consideration for new website owners who work with limited budgets and resources. Shared hosting is the cheapest, full-fledged hosting solution that is used by millions of websites. Ease of use. Website management is a crucial function that looks complicated to new site owners who are inexperienced. Shared hosting plans come bundled with many useful tools and control panel that simplify site management. No expertise needed. Any type of hosting needs a certain level of domain expertise to ensure a hassle-free experience. Shared hosting does not need any kind of expertise as all server-related tasks are handled by the provider. Pre-configured security. Website security could be a big issue, especially for new site owners with no experience. All shared hosting plans come with pre-configured security set up by the hosting provider. 24/7 on-call support. If something goes wrong with the website, new site owners rely on support for resolution. Shared hosting providers offer 24/7 on-call support that can resolve issues with minimal downtime. Reseller Club's shared hosting bundles free cPanel, 24/7 support, and free site migration with all hosting plans. Get a dependable hosting service that offers lightning-fast websites, easy upgrades, and enhanced security.